Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your IGG ID on Lords Mobile. Your IGG ID in Lords Mobile is your unique player number used for logging in, contacting support, or transferring your account. So in order to find your IGG ID in Lords Mobile, first of all, launch the Lords Mobile app on your device and wait for the game to load until you reach your main castle screen. Now, from the main homepage, click on the gear button at the bottom right corner. And then from the Others tab, click on Account. After you open up your account settings option here, go ahead and look for the IGG ID, which is a long string of numbers. Tap on the copy button right next to the ID and the ID will be copied to your device's clipboard. You can now paste it in somewhere secure or write it down. You'll need this ID if you contact IGG support, redeem rewards, or link your account on a new device. So that's how you can easily find your IGG ID in Lords Mobile. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.